Hello dear students, once again welcome back to the online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, we have already completed the chapter number 4 and its exercises in book and notebook also. So now in today's video I am going to explain the next chapter. We are going to start the next one, that is chapter number 5. So for that you all take out your New Charms English Reader book and open chapter number 5. So we are going to discuss the new story that is given in your New Charms English Reader book. This story is given on page number 13. First of all, tell me student, what's the title of this chapter that we are going to read in today's class. So the title of this chapter is Jojo's Pet. Jojo's Pet. What the spelling of Jojo? J-O-J-O, Jojo, and the spelling of pet, P-E-T, pet. Okay student, so in this story we are going to learn about the pet of Jojo, that is a little Tweety. And who is the Jojo? Do you know that? The Jojo is a little boy, as you can see in your book, that is a little boy. In this story we are going to learn about the little boy whose name is Jojo, and he found a little baby bird who was hurt in one wing. So how could Jojo take care of this little Tweety? We are going to learn through this chapter. Okay student, so let's start the reading. First of all we are going to read, and after that I will explain this exercise to you, this story to you. Okay. So dear student, one by one we are going to read the paragraph one by one, and I will explain this paragraph one by one for you. So there is one day Jojo saw a baby bird. It is the first line of this story, that is, one day Jojo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. One day Jojo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. The little bird was hurt in one wing. As you can see at your screen, that one day Jojo saw a baby bird hopping. What the meaning of hopping? It means jumping. Okay. One day this little boy saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. Okay. So what happened? The little bird, what happening to this bird, that why it is hopping in the bushes? Because she was hurt in one wing. As you all know that bird has wing, and dear student, as you all know that birds fly with the help of their wings. So in this story, this little bird was hurt in one wing. Okay, so Jojo wanted to have the bird, and that's why he carried the baby bird home in his basket. Okay, as you can see there is a basket in Jojo's hand. So when Jojo saw the baby birds hurt in one wing, so he wanted to have this little baby bird, and that's why he carried this little bird into his basket. Okay, and what happened the next? Then he took a hammer, some nails and some wood. Why he taking this all things? Because he wants to build a bird house for the baby bird. So that's why Jojo took a hammer, some nails and some wood. Okay, and he built a bird house for the baby birds. Now after this, when this little boy make house for this baby bird, after that Jojo named his new pet Tweety. Okay, what's the name of this little bird? This little bird name was Tweety. Okay, and Jojo starting care of this little bird. Okay, he caught insect for Tweety. He caught insect. What the meaning of caught? Do you know that? The meaning of caught is catch. He catch insect for Tweety to eat. As we all know that birds are eating insects, so that's why Jojo caught insect for Tweety to eat, and he gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. Dear student, first of all, this little boy had this bird. He carried this bird into his house and he make a home for this little bird, and after that he started caring for this little bird, and he caught insect for to Tweety, and after that he gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. So what happened? So Tweety hurt wing got better. Tweety's hurt wing got better and she learned to fly. She learned to fly. Okay. Come to the next page, that is next paragraph, which is given on page number 31. So that is, when Jojo called Tweety. Who was Tweety? Dear student, the name of this little bird is Tweety, that given by this boy. Okay, given by this boy whose name is Jojo. Jojo gave this little bird a new name, that is Tweety, and he made a house for this little bird. So when Jojo called Tweety, Tweety would fly to him and sit on his hand. Okay, whenever Jojo called Tweety, so that time Tweety would fly to him and sit on his hand, and Tweety was naughty. Now this Tweety become very naughty when his wing was better. So Tweety was very naughty. One morning, what did Tweety did? One morning, Jojo could not find his top. One morning, what happened one morning? So one morning, Jojo could not find his top, so he looked for it till it was time to leave for school. Okay, Jojo could not find his top. He looked for it till it was time to leave for school. So he could not put on one boot. One morning, Jojo could not find his top that he used to play. So he looked for it till it was time to leave for school. He could not put on one boot. Why he could not put on one boot? Because there was something stuck in it. There was something stuck in it. Jojo held the boot up and shook it. So out fell the top. Tweety flapped her wings and laughed, tweet, tweet. There is a word, tweet, tweet. It's a way of her laughing. Okay. This is the way of laughing of Tweety. Okay. How could she laugh? She laughed, tweet, tweet. Okay. That was her way of laughing. So Jojo laughed too. He picked up his bag and left for school. Dear student, in this story we have learned, in this story there is a little boy. One day he saw a baby bird jumping in the bushes, and the reason of her jump that bird was hurt in one wing, and that time Jojo wanted to help this little bird, so that's why he carried this bird into his house and he made a house for this little bird, and now he is starting taking care of this bird. And someday after Tweety's hurt and this little boy gave a name to this little bird, that is Tweety. And when he started to taking care of this Tweety, so someday after Tweety's hurt wing got better and she learned to fly again. Okay, so now Tweety become very naughty, and whenever Jojo called Tweety, so Tweety would fly into him and sit on his hand. Okay, Tweety was become very naughty, and one morning she hid Jojo's top in his boot, and Jojo started searching for his top, but he could not find his top. So now he looked for it till it was time to leave for school. So now he could not put on one boot. So why could Jojo not put on one boot? Because there was something stuck in it. So when Jojo held the boot up and shook it, out fell the top. And Tweety flapped her wings and laughed, tweet, tweet. And this the way of laughing that she is laugh. So Jojo laughed too, and he picked up his bag and left for school. So dear student, in this story we have learned that how could a little boy showing his kindness. He was a very good boy that he taking care of this little bird. So dear student, what's the moral of this story? What we learned by this chapter? We have to learn by this chapter that we should always taking care of animals and help the other person who wants to our need help. Okay, who wants our help, we should help them. Okay, student, this is a very beautiful story that we learn in this today's class. So that's it for today. I will explain the exercises of this chapter in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.